Hello my lovely friends, welcome to another video, and I'm super stoked to be putting this one out because I got me some new wheels and I want to show them to you. But first, we have to crack a cold one. Let's get started. Alright, so yes, I bought RPF1s. They actually came down in price and I found a local supplier that can give them to me for even better price. Yeah, I've already opened them up just to make sure, and he opened them up too just to make sure there wasn't any damage. Yeah, right from Japan, bunch of Japanese writing there. There you go, Anki 360 perfect wheels, these are sweet. 3, 2, 1. They're so awesome. I'm so stoked. It's incredible how light these are. They're advertised at 9.8 pounds. Like I can easily lift one up. Like it's absolutely crazy. And they're also way shinier than I thought they would be. It's not a bad thing. It's actually awesome. Always thought they were like a matte finish. They have a nice gloss to them, which is great. Probably the most coolest unboxing I've ever done because you get to do 4 unboxings. It's like deja vu times 4. It's awesome. It's so awesome. Can't get enough of them. I can't wait to get these on the car. Here they are in all their wonderful glory. I've heard so many great things about these wheels. A lot of people like them for how light they are. And it's crazy how light they are. They're 9.8 pounds. This is a wheel. This is what your car rolls on. They should not be this light, but somehow they are, which is amazing. And a lot of people love them for how nice they look. These things are absolutely beautiful. These are 15x7, 4x100 with a 35 offset. So a 35 offset for the Mazda 2, that's like the sweet spot. That's a really good offset with a 15x7 wheel. So also gonna go with 205 tires, 205 50 15s. But that won't be till around the springtime. I want to have tires on these by about end of March to middle of April. That's kind of the time that I want to get tires on these, and I have to save up for that, obviously, save up some money. And I want to wait till the weather gets better as well because it's still pretty wet and nasty out here in Vancouver. So yeah, that's pretty much sums up the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did because I'm so stoked. And yeah, thanks very much for watching. Hit that like button. And if you enjoy my content about me and my eyebrow razor econo box of a car, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. But if you don't, I don't care. I just do this in my free time. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.